The DJI Mavic 4 Pro is one of the most highly anticipated releases in the drone world, drawing attention from hobbyists and professionals alike. Known for pushing the envelope in aerial technology, DJI has built up significant expectations for this model. Based on recent leaks and speculation, it looks like the Mavic 4 Pro will introduce some game-changing advancements, reaffirming DJI's leadership in the drone industry. One of the standout innovations involves its obstacle detection system. Unlike most drones that keep their sensors within the body or near the camera, the Mavic 4 Pro reportedly relocates this sensor to one of the propeller arms. This unexpected move has sparked rumors that the sensor could be using LiDAR light detection and ranging technology. LiDAR is known for its high-precision depth sensing and has already shown its value in other DJI models like the Air 3S, especially in tricky environments or low-light conditions. Alternatively, DJI might opt for an infrared sensor like the one used in its smaller models. While infrared isn't as accurate as LiDAR, it still offers decent performance for basic obstacle detection, using light instead of lasers. This design shift placing the sensor on the arm also gives the camera gimbal more freedom, allowing for vertical tilting up to a full 90 degrees in both directions. That's a major plus for content creators, inspectors, and filmmakers who need more dynamic shooting angles. If DJI goes all in on LiDAR, it could significantly boost the drone's capabilities in navigation and obstacle avoidance, even in complex or poorly lit environments. However, this technology tends to be heavier and draws more power, which could slightly reduce the drone's flight time. Current rumors suggest that the Mavic 4 Pro could still deliver over 40 minutes of airtime, making it one of the top performers in terms of battery life. Choosing an infrared sensor instead could help maintain a lightweight and energy-efficient design, ideal for casual users and on-the-go professionals. Some concerns have been raised about the possibility of blind spots with the new sensor placement, but given DJI's strong track record with intelligent flight software, it's likely the company will implement features to compensate for any coverage gaps. Whether using LiDAR or infrared, DJI's software is expected to enhance safety and reliability in various flying scenarios. Another major update appears to be in the drone's gimbal system. Leaked visuals hint that the Mavic 4 Pro could offer full 180-degree camera rotation, enabling the lens to flip entirely upside down. This creates exciting possibilities for filmmakers who want to capture unique, immersive footage without needing to rely heavily on editing in post-production. Additionally, the upward tilt capability may reach 70 degrees, double what previous Mavic models offered, making it more versatile for shooting upward angles or inspecting tall structures. Design-wise, DJI has made practical enhancements to improve durability and flight performance. The propellers feature a new aerodynamic shape with a quick-release mechanism, which helps with smoother airflow and offers better protection against dust and moisture. This makes the drone more dependable in rough weather. There's also a new support foot below the camera for added stability during landings, along with rubber padding on the arms to minimize shock. While relocating the gimbal further from the drone's body improves flexibility, it also makes it more exposed in case of a crash. However, the advanced obstacle sensing, whether through LiDAR or infrared, should help prevent most accidents, keeping the gimbal safe. With everything we've seen so far, the Mavic 4 Pro looks to be one of the most exciting and capable drones ever released. Whether DJI chooses high-end LiDAR or a more efficient infrared system, the combination of smart navigation, an upgraded camera system, and long battery life makes this model highly appealing. For filmmakers, inspectors, and everyday creators alike, the Mavic 4 Pro could become an essential tool pushing the limits of what's possible in aerial photography and videography.